Yeah, so we are. We're first of all, thank you. We're super excited to be coming over to Germany again and meeting all our friends and colleagues from the industry. We're really looking forward to the event. We'll be having a booth there. We'll be showing our technology. So anyone who wants to come and have a look and talk to us more about the unique technology that we have and some of the applications like this radio frequency tag that we have with our chip on it. We're going to have several of our team members there, and we'll be really looking forward to speaking with you. In terms of our speaker slot, I don't want to steal the thunder of our speaker, who's our CEO, Dave Moore. He's joined Pragmatic around 6 months ago as our new CEO, and he's going to be talking. He's come from the Bay Area, from the West Coast of the US, working in major semiconductor manufacturers, and he's going to be talking about some of the global trends in semiconductors and why he's joined Pragmatic and why he's excited about that, but also talking about the linkage between the item level identity and things like sensing for temperature and humidity and those kind of things that we can enable with our product, and the link through to big data and AI and analytics. So most of the world and a lot of the insights that businesses are looking to provide, either for themselves or for their customers, are going to be driven by AI models. And those AI models need data. They're hungry for data. And with our technology, we can be feeding data in near real time through to those AI models in huge volume. And that's going to take a shift in technology from traditional silicon. And alongside traditional silicon, we will be adding a new layer of ubiquitous connectivity using our technology. So that's what we'll be talking about.